Why does vehicle oversteer happen? Imagine you're driving through a sharp turn and suddenly the back of your car swings out more than expected. That unexpected swing is what we call oversteer. It might seem like a tricky problem, but it all comes down to how the tires grip the road and how the car's weight shifts during cornering. When you turn, your vehicle's tires generate lateral force to help you change direction. If the rear tires lose grip before the front tires do, the back end starts to slide out. This is because the rear tires are no longer able to hold the lateral force needed to keep the car stable. One big reason for oversteer is tire traction limits. Each tire can only generate a certain amount of sideways force before slipping. When the rear tires reach this limit first, they start to slide sideways, causing the back of the car to swing out. The slip angle, which is how much the tire is turned relative to its direction of travel, increases more at the rear than the front, pushing the car into oversteer. Weight transfer also plays a role. When you turn, the car's weight shifts outward. If more weight moves to the outside rear tires, they become overloaded and lose grip faster. Tires generate less lateral force when they are heavily loaded, so if the rear tires are overloaded, they can reach their grip limit sooner. This overload makes the rear tires slide, leading to oversteer. The car's weight distribution is another factor. Vehicles with more weight towards the back tend to oversteer more because the rear tires bear more load. This makes them reach their grip limit quicker during turns. On the other hand, cars with a front-heavy design usually tend to understeer, where the front tires lose grip first. Power delivery is also important. Rear-wheel drive cars send engine power directly to the rear wheels. If you accelerate hard while turning, the rear tires might spin or slip because they are handling both propulsion and lateral forces. This can cause the rear to slide outward, creating oversteer. Suspension setup influences how load transfers during a turn. A suspension that causes more load to shift to the rear during cornering can increase oversteer. Adjustments like changing the stiffness of the suspension or the angles of the wheels, such as camber and toe, can make a car more or less prone to oversteer. Surface conditions are the final piece of the puzzle. Wet, icy, or gravel surfaces reduce tire grip, making it easier for the rear tires to lose traction. When grip is low, even small inputs can cause the rear to slide out. In real-world automotive engineering, controlling oversteer is key for safety and handling. Engineers design suspension systems, weight distribution, and electronic stability controls to keep the car balanced. They aim for a handling feel that is predictable and safe, so drivers can enjoy driving without losing control. So, oversteer happens because the rear tires lose grip before the front tires during a turn. This can be caused by how weight shifts, the vehicle's design, tire characteristics, or driving inputs. Managing these factors helps make driving safer and more fun.